G'day guys, Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. Today I've got another install video. It is the Allisport 2.2 stainless steel exhaust system. Mine is the one with the decat pipe and then straight through pipe. So there are a couple of configurations you can see on their website. That's the one I've opted for so I can get some nice note out of it. The system is all stainless, as I've mentioned. I'll show you it right here. There's the decat pipe, all mandrel bent, stainless steel mounting plates and gaskets, stainless steel mounts. That's the center pipe, and there's the end pipe. So it comes in 3 sections. Pretty basic job. I'm already running a decat system, but it's not stainless steel, and it's a bit of a mishmash of putting it all together. Basically, I've got a decat pipe, center muffler delete, and then just retaining the rear resonator, but it's all a bit Frankenstein-y sort of under there, whereas this is nice and neat and beautiful. Obviously, being stainless steel is going to be a major benefit too for the exhaust and the turbo. So I'm going to install that right now. So you can see here, maybe there's a V-band clamp off the back of the turbo, and that's my current decat pipe, which has got some exhaust wrap on it. And then here's where it comes out through there. It's the center pipe, and then up and through to the rear section. So I'm going to take all this apart now and try and whack in the new one. So this is my old decat with the exhaust wrap. Yeah, a bit of a sorry state there, a bit of a crack. So when you compare it to this, looking a bit better. And the trumpet piece that goes onto the turbo here is much better than what that one was. This one I always had difficulties matching it up. It wasn't flat enough. It would cause leaks. So this one looks like it's nice and flat. Okay, so what I've done, I've just sort of all bolted it loosely together. I've still got to get the decat onto the V-band clamp here, but all bolted up and mounted to the rubber mounts. So all that's done. Over to there. Looks nice, the stainless. But I may have an issue over here now. Due to the fact that I run 37s, I had to modify my original rear section to clear the 37 on tuck. So I've remounted the rubber mount here. Just got to slip that on, and this one shoots out the side. So we'll see how we go. Maybe it'll work. If not, I might have to modify the exhaust a little bit, but it looks like it should be all right. So I sort of reversed the mount, and that looks like it's got plenty of clearance now, and a nice little shoot to the side with the stainless polished tip. Getting very fancy now. So yeah, let's tighten everything up and see how it sounds. Okay, so V-band clamp back on, EGT gauge back on, all bolted up and mounted. So as you can see there, see all the work that's done on the exhaust as well. It's really nice. Stainless steel plates all bolted up, and then we go to the back. That's got a gasket that it came with. It all fits into the original mounts, so not a worry. And then that goes out to the rear. Let me get out and get around to the rear. I've modified my bracket here but that was because of the 37s. But if you've got 35s or under, I'm guessing this will work, no worries. Stainless steel polished tip, and it's all neat. Now let's have a listen. Okay, as you can see, that sounds a lot different, and basically what I was chasing. I've been trying to make the 2.2 sound a lot better, and you know, with the Frankenstein exhaust that I had on before, it did a bit, but now is actually a massive difference, and it's all heaps more quality in it. So as you can see here, again, I'll show you. Stainless exhaust, mandrel bent, stainless fittings, mounts, it all bolts to the original. All welded up properly, as I said before as well. There's a few variations you can do with this system from Allisport. I've chosen a decat and then straight through, and that's the kind of sound you get. So again, very happy with it. Check it out. I'll leave a link in the video description for this product, and that's it for me.